Got him. Ain't nothing huge, but it's a trout. We got another one. Wow, they're so little this time. This guy's fat. He's really fat, but just little trout. And look how fat that thing is. I think I got another one on. Yes, sir. Number 3. Again, none of them are huge, but they're trout nonetheless. I think we may have another one. Ah, he got off. That's all right. We know about where he's at. Let's see if we can throw back out there and get him again. He was a little bit better class actually with fish than what we've been reeling in. Not huge, but a little bit better. Not too shabby. Definitely had big. Look at the crayfish at the bottom. That's wild. But yeah, definitely not too shabby. I think we had one take it. Yep, there he is. Again, not a huge one, but one away from the limit. There you wascally wabbit. Oh no! Pulled it right out of his mouth. Thought I was hung up. See if we can get him to bite again. Oh, I think he's got it. I feel him. Take it. Got him. Last one of the day, baby. Right at dark. We'll take it. Like I said, nothing huge today, but 6 trout nonetheless. So there's the last one of the day. Heck yeah, we'll take it. Alright, so a week after the stock, actually a little bit over a week after they stocked. Coming out of here with a stringer full. I cannot complain. It was a good day. It was a good afternoon. I wasn't even up for about an hour and a half, so can't complain at all. So, just leaving up out of Cub Run. Let me turn the light on so you can see a little bit. Just leaving out of Cub Run up here on the National Forest, and I gotta say I had a good day. Like I cannot tell you, it's been years since I caught my limit of trout up here, because it usually just gets fished so hard. But yeah, I mean, we did good. 6 trout in about 2 hours, and I mean, very skittish trout. Didn't spot a single one. Every one that I caught I did not see. So just blind casting into currents and pockets and all that good stuff, and there we go. So we'll see you on the next one.